If you're looking to enhance your gaming experience in Cyberpunk 2077 by unlocking the graphics settings, follow these simple steps to make adjustments quickly. Step 1. Access the game files. Navigate to the installation folder of Cyberpunk 2077 on your computer. This is usually found in your Steam or GOG library under the game properties. Step 2. Locate the configuration file. Find the configuration file named user settings or config.json within the game folder. This file contains various settings that can be modified. Step 3. Open the file for editing. Use a text editor like Notepad or any code editor to open the configuration file. Make sure to create a backup of the file before making any changes. Step 4. Modify graphics settings. Look for the graphics settings section within the file. Change the values for settings such as resolution, texture quality, and other options to unlock higher graphics configurations. Step 5. Save and restart the game. After making your changes, save the file and close the text editor. Restart Cyberpunk 2077 to apply the new graphics settings and enjoy an enhanced visual experience. By following these steps, you can quickly unlock and adjust the graphics settings in Cyberpunk 2077 for a better gaming experience. Happy gaming!